Diyan na nga, Dopo. Singin, Dopo. Later, I going to your video, okay? Because now you make live. You do live, okay? I am an host. Funny guys. Funny one. Ano, I am host? Wow, sarap babar. Oh, lika, delicious. Delicious babar. Watching ako babar. Watching. And the next is in Sagma, okay? Thank you, host. Hello, OFW Hopper is live. Thank you for dropping my live. Nababa ng bahay si OFW, guys. Baka ano kayo, hindi pa kayo dikit. Baka dikit na ako sa iyo, OFW Hopper. Dikit na ba ako sa iyo? Don't forget, guys, host like. Yes, thank you, Annette, from my heart. Thank you so much. Like Dan, like. Sometimes Annette, sometimes when I go also live, I forgot to put to ano ba 'yon? To on the like, to make like. Sometimes I forgot. But later on I can, I have no more, I can like, so I like again. Babar, OFW, where are you, dito ako sa Babar. Babar, you tell me you are a man, you are a boy, but you cook with a color nail color. Oh, yeah. Your wife? Watching ako, Babar. And it's, oh, Jess Marak TV. Thank you, Jess. Just a moment. Chup, chup. Thank you, Jess. Like 20. Maraming salamat, Jess. My friend from India. Thank you. Babar? Where are you, Babar? Thank you, Jess. Babar is already gone. Go to NX. It's almost done ako ka, Babar. I'm going to Babar. I'm going to NX. Jess, I visit you also, Jess. Okay? Jess Marak TV. OFW, moment, OFW, ha? I visit first and Sagma. Guys, dikit each other, guys. OFW, dikit-dikit to and Sagma, please. Dito ako, Garo, Funny, Video, Wakbandad. Oh, Wakbandad. I'm here in it's watching ako unlike. And it's Sagma. Nidya Kuknal on. Inday, harang atilita. Thank you, Inday. 14 people. Mega loud shout out. Iano natin si OFW. And Eds, I'm here in your house, okay? Thank you sa parang, Inday. Shout out 14 people. Hello, good night, Jess Marak TV. Jess Marak TV. Chop chop. Salamat. Arigato, Garcimat. Arigato. Chop chop. Oh, highlights pala. Akala ko natulog ka na.